Alrighty, so let's get to our beautiful moral lesson that Mr. Shim very nicely put together and already delivered his lecture in the Korean language and also in English. And I really think that this is a beautiful moral lesson. And it's so simple, but it is so profound. Yeah. Okay, let's get going. As a moral teacher as well as a Chinese language teacher, I think this is a really great place for everyone to learn Chinese language because we are learning the basics of the language, but in the same time, each Chinese character is delivering us a big, rich package of wisdom. The tones, again, flat, up, down, and up, and down. 4 tones, the Chinese characters. Always pay attention to pronounce the tones correctly. First character. Xin. Again, we are teaching this Chinese character. Again, recently. It's about this heart thing. Okay, heart. Okay, Xin. Next. You see, writing Chinese characters is also very fun, isn't it? Yeah. This is Ji, Yi, An, Jian.
Jian.
Jian actually means see. Okay, see. Okay. Xin. When we write, it's really, when you do the learning, you need to feel full of joy when you are learning something, new. And it's also so beautiful too. Chinese characters just, wonderful when you practice how to write it in the right sequence. This one is called Xi Yi You Xiu. 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 Cultivate. Basically, it also has the meaning of repair. Okay? Xiu, something is not good, it's not working, we're gonna make it work. And it also means repair. Okay, let's review. Xi Yin Xin.
Xin.
Ji Yan Jian.
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 Jian. Jian.
Xi Yin Xin.
Xin.
Xi You Xiu.
Xiu.
Xin Jian Xin Xiu.
Xin Jian Xin Xiu.
Beautiful. You are getting the tones now very correct and the pronunciation very clear. This is really wonderful. So when we start to get used to the Chinese characters and the pronunciations, learning Chinese language is basically full of joy. Okay, we're gonna start to learn more. And when we learn here in the classroom, you see our video, you also go home to practice on the paper. Okay, use your pencil and repeat the video, and you start to practice it. You notice how I write it, right? So 1 character a day. Following our lecture, you gradually master all the key Chinese characters, and each Chinese character delivers profound meanings. Okay, pause.